So sorry guys, I thought I was taping because I am using two color here, and the color that I'm using this one, also this one. So these are the two bright color that I'm using over my lid there, and then I am going to blend it out, and then I am going to show you the rest of the color that I'm going to use. So my name is J Spark Makeup, and if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and also turn on notification bell. So this color is really bright, so you can see how bright it is. Like, I don't need to, all I need to do is just blend out the edges of this color. They are so bright and beautiful, and these are like matte shade. I remember when I go to the UK, I haven't picked up really much eyeshadow when I go over there because I have so much of Revolution, and I go to the store, the drugstore where they were selling them, and I try to avoid picking up the eyeshadow because I can get them here. So I decided not to pick up these color of eyeshadow here, although I don't even think they're cheaper because you get them like certain in England, like maybe some of them like maybe £5-6, and then you get them in dollars here in this country. So that's why I didn't pick up much. So we are gonna go into a different color right now, and I am going to put some of this silver. Okay, let's do this one underneath the brow bone. This one here, we're gonna put it underneath the brow bone here and blend it. Just barely catch this color underneath the brow bone, you guys. And then I am just gonna put it here and make sure that it blends out properly. I'm so sorry for the noise with the fan, but because it is so hot, I can't help myself. So now we're gonna go into this silver looking color right here, and this is the one that I am going to try and use on my lid here. Because I have my nails, I can't use my finger to pick it up, so I have to get this really flat brush to really pick it up for the eyes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna clean it up and then come back. Okay guys, so this is my final look from Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Here, this is the look. I have these two color over here, and then I have this one which is a silver under lid, and then this one I put it under my brow bone. So this is how it turned out. So I just want to say sorry because I thought that I started the video when I started to apply my eyeshadow, only to know that I did not start it. But I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and remember to subscribe if you haven't yet. Do turn on notification bell, and also I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.